Hello, my crafty friends. How's everyone doing today? This is Sherry, and today I'm here to do 10 minutes of crafting before I have to get ready for work. I did 2 of these videos last week, and this is something I don't do every day, but when I have 10 minutes, I come in here before I have to get ready for work into my craft room and see what I can do. Sometimes I clean up, but today I'm doing a little crafting. So I'm working with seed beads, these little bottles that I got from Dollar Tree, the little glass bottles with the cork lid, and these little, these are little like ice screws that I picked up at Temu, and I got them because they're colorful. Okay, I have some from Walmart that are bigger, but these are actually the perfect size, and I will try to link these below for you if they're still available at Temu. I will be able to link them for you, and I'll even have my code down there for you, 30% off for a first time user. So let me show you just 1 second, or let me start my timer. Just 1 second. Let's get it going. 10 minutes. I wanted to explain first, so I have 10 full minutes of crafting. I experimented and made one already because I wanted to really kind of like have a plan here since I only have 10 minutes. But the glass bottle, I put the seed beads in there, and it's a mixture of blues that I put in this one, and I have a little blue, I might want to call it an eyelet. It's so small, it looks like an eyelet, but it's a eye screw. So, and it screwed down in there easy just with my fingers. I also wanted to see how hard or easy it was to screw in there. So I have 5 more here. So let's see how many we can get done in 10 minutes. I have another package of these. I showed these to you in a Turkey Thursday, and I think I showed you how many I got. I wanted to look for these for this very project right here. And then when I went to one of my Dollar Trees, there wasn't any there. So I had to look through a couple of Dollar Trees, 2 or 3, to find them. So that was a blue one. Let's do a green one this time. The idea here is to make some pretty little charms. These are going to be charms for my junk journals. So to the eye screw I can attach I'm using this little spoon too. I'll show it to you in a second. I'm going to see if that's any faster than just using my fingers or scooping it. I did need a little bit of help last night, but not a lot. And I didn't use this when I made the first one. But these seed beads are so small. It's and I don't have a little funnel to fit in here, so I need to leave enough room for the cork. Okay, so let me see how I like that one. I really like this other one better. It's got a mixture in there, and it's just so pretty. This one has mostly all of these green ones. That's pretty too, but I kind of like the mixture. I'm going to dump some of these out, and actually quite a few of them out, and put some of these other colorful, darker green ones in there too. I think that the mixture is really pretty, and it just looks like something like magical. Like you can call it unicorn food or something if you wanted to. You know what I mean? This is unicorn food. If you're making a unicorn journal, and you can make it pink and white or something, beads or blue or whatever color seeds or food that unicorns eat, right? So let's go ahead and put this little, I think that's enough now. Let me see how they mix, if they mix up, or yeah, that is much prettier. So there we go. Here's what it looks on this side. Looks like on this side. And here's the other side. It's kind of more solid, and they can move around a little. So there's a little bit of space in between the cork and the beads, but I want to make sure it presses down in there, because it's when it's hanging. You could even glue it in there if you wanted to. I didn't glue that one. Let's grab a green. Let's see. It doesn't have to match, but because I have so many colors in here, they're all not going to match. I just wanted to, for the heck of it, while I can. Do I have a green one? I think there is a green one right here. A little bit hard to get out of here because they're so small. Let's see. Yeah, this one's green right here. Okay, so I just took it, tried to find the middle just by eyeballing it, and I kind of just poked it in there into the middle. And I did it when it was in the bottle. I didn't try to do it separate. So I just poked it down in there. There it goes. Okay. Now, and then I just sorry, I'm waking up, and I got my coffee here. My voice is waking up. But yeah, then I just screwed it like this. Now, if I were doing a bunch of these, I can see my fingers might start hurting because I'm grasping pretty hard on this and pushing down. And, you know, when you're doing that, it's the tip of your fingers start hurting. So you could use a little bit of like a jewelry pliers to screw that down in there. But I just screwed it all the way down in. And there it is. I kind of went like this. See how it came out? So then, yeah, when I use these for a charm, I might actually put a little glue in there. I don't think I'm ready to put glue in there right now. But there we go. There's another one. And isn't it cute? So I would put a bulb pin on here, or you could put a jump ring and a lobster claw clasp, anything you want to use, even a paper clip possibly, to hang these. But yeah, super cute. I think I would definitely put a little glue on there though, because, well, let's try it. Let's try it real quick, because I would not want it to come out when I use it on, say I put it as a charm on a journal. I wouldn't want it to come out for someone and have it, you know, then they would have little beads all over the place. So I'm not going to put it on the bottom. I'm going to put it on the sides. Just a little bit all around the sides. So this 10 minutes, it gives me a little crafting time or a little bit of experimental time, you know. It's just enough time to maybe experiment a little bit. Let's see how that does. Yeah, it's all over the inside of the... This will dry clear, so we'll let that dry during the last one. I only have 3 minutes, about 3.5 minutes left here. So we'll see. It might take longer than that to completely dry, but we'll see what it looks like when we're done here. Let's do another one. Let's do a red, white, and blue one. So, aren't these cute? I have a lot of seed beads. You know, I bought one. I haven't bought that many. Oh, here's a little pin in here. Must have been doing something with that. But yeah, I haven't bought that many, but I did. If you buy one package, you have a lot, right? Like I think I bought some from Dollar Tree. I think these are all from Dollar Tree probably. And I bought 1 or 2 little packages from Walmart too. So I just thought, you know, I do use them occasionally, but not enough. Oh, that's pretty. There we go. Red, white, and blue. Let me put the lid on so I can show you so I don't dump them out. But isn't that cute? Yeah, I like it. All right, that's awesome. All right, and now I have, let's see, I have some black ones in here, white ones. Let's try a white one. Is there red ones in there? I think I see some red ones too. Let me get a red. I think this is red here. Let me get a red one. Now I might grab my jewelry pliers. Now I don't even want these to come out while I'm putting my little screw in here, so let me get it going. Then I'm going to grab my jewelry pliers and see how it works with those. See, you really got to hold it tight, and it's so tiny. But this could be a TV craft. Let's see if it's not in the middle. Yeah, I really want it to be in the middle. Yeah, let me grab my jewelry pliers. Just 1 second. Where are they? I'm right here. Keep them in a drawer right over there. Where's my red one? Okay. Yeah, I'm going to run out of time. So they take... this probably part takes the longest, getting a little screw eye in there. But once you get it going, Plus I want to make sure it's in the right spot. Or try to. There we go. See, there it goes. Pretty much in the middle. I'm not taking it out though if it isn't. So yeah, I'm twisting with my hand. Let me try it and see if it's any easier with this. See, because I gotta grab it and push, and I think it's almost easier with my hand. Well, maybe not. No. Yeah, see, it is easier with my hand. I can't get a good grip on it with that. Okay. I hadn't tried it with the pliers before, but in my head it worked. But in reality, not really. Okay. So my time's going to run out here, and I don't want to ruin this, so I need to just use the same hole in my fingers here. All right, it's going. I just don't want to break this cork. It's going off to the side a little bit, so I don't appreciate that. But, yeah. Almost there. Oh, there's my timer. Okay, let me turn off. I want you to hear my alarm so you know my 10 minutes is actually up. I'm not making it up. It went that fast. So there we go. This one's almost in. Let's just finish this one. Almost there. See how it turns out. And we'll check that one we glued real quick. All right. Yeah, it's in there. All right. Okay, that one is done. It is done. It's not coming out. Once you get it in there, it's not coming out as far as the little eye screw. And then here we go. This is the red, white, and blue one. Isn't that pretty? And the beads move around a little bit. So it's like a little shaker. Okay, the one we glued, it's starting to dry, but it's not completely dry. You can still see some white in there. So it might take a minute because it's not really exposed to air now. It's down in there. So it might take a minute to dry, or a few minutes to dry, a few more minutes. But anyway, you get the picture. These are super cute. There we go. Little charms. You could even put a few of them on a journal. You could probably attach them to a tassel and go from there. So anyway, when I attach one to a journal, I'll let you know and we can see what it looks like. But I'm going to make some more of these, and that's my 10 minutes of crafting. That means I have to go get ready for work now, so I'll see you all in my next video. Have a great day.